Hi, my name is William Bao Bean, Managing General Partner at Orbit Startups. We're super excited about the investment opportunity in Pakistan. We started investing there in 2019, and they're now the most active international VC in Pakistan with 18 investment portfolio companies. We're very excited about the opportunity in Pakistan for three big reasons. The first one is the talent. We've just seen amazing entrepreneurs, great product developers, and amazing programmers. So huge triple threat. The second is a fast growing local market through a tough flood, inflation, devaluations, and also some unrest. We've seen the economy continue to be quite resilient, especially tech-driven internet companies and software companies. We haven't lost a portfolio company yet. And the third reason is really a huge macro trend where you're seeing tech-driven change. People are leveraging technology to transform industry in supply chain, in logistics, in food, in ag tech, in health. And so we're super excited about investing. Look forward to hopefully seeing you all at Pack Launch Unconference in London. Sounds great. See you there.